Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Kira's Fine Vlogs. And now time for face art, and I'm making an ice cream like I showed you on the beginning of this video. This would be the art that I'll be creating. So let's get started. Just give it any shape you want. Should look like an ice cream, which is no definite shape. Only to this part, because here it will be different color. And now comes a little bit of tricky part, because you want it to look more as realistic as possible, so you have to take care of that part. And I'm going to apply this white color only up until this area, giving it a different shape here. And I'll leave a little bit of this part of my lip to add another color in between, so just to make it look like these two flavors are getting mixed. You know, something like this, so you can add another color in between these two lines. Some over here. It will all look fine when you add another color. You can always make it more realistic by adding some more here and there. So, as you can see, I've given some sort of shape here for other color to be added, and now I'm moving on to adding another color here, another flavor here, and I can always come back to this part once I know how much to add and everything. So let's move on to next color now. Follow the same process. Just give it a shape. All I'm doing is filling up the area that I left earlier. So that's a giant ice cream scoop that I've got. And now, while I wait for this part to dry up, I am again moving on to this part now. A little bit of a small line here. Moving on to this part again. This definitely got a little bigger than I had expected, but never mind. I just have a big ice cream. Now moving on to the cone part. It will be safer for me to use a crayon to outline the cone first before I start coloring it, starting from this area here, and give it a little round shape here in this part. I'm sorry, it's a little bit difficult to show. And all the way down to this part. it's not so very visible at the moment, but this is just the outline, and I'm going to use watercolor after this, so it'll be more visible then. And now I'm taking the smallest brush to draw the outline of the cone. I made a little mistake here, but never mind, I'm going to clean it later. And now I'm using the same crayon to fill this area. Now I'm using another thin brush to create a white lines here. So as you guys can see, I made a little mistake here by overdrawing it, but that's not a problem because now I'm going to darken this brown part, and I'll cover that area as well. So let's move on to that step now. Make sure you don't cover the white bars. Now I have to darken this white bar again and see if I've left some area. So that's it for the cone area, and one last step left now in this part where I make a small hole-like structure. Again, try to make it as realistic as possible, so I'll try how it goes. So this is just to make it look like there is a small hole kind of thing here, and nothing more. And I think if I do it more, I'll be overdoing it. So this is my final look, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I tried to be as explanative as possible. So please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Any suggestions and comments are always welcomed, and I will see you soon. Bye.